Saves a lot of time. A lot of time. Time is money. Optimove is a global company, around over 500 employees. We sell our marketing SaaS product all over the world. We have roughly 8 to 9 banks that we are working with. That means that our cash flow management is extremely complex. It becomes very tedious to go into every bank account to manage it. And that's where Panax comes in, because it just gives you one concentrated view on every type of bank you have. They wasted half a day to create what Panax now creates in a minute. NetSuite is our ERP system. Every invoice in NetSuite, every collection in NetSuite, every transaction in NetSuite is integrating beautifully to Panax. That integration is crucial. Panax also has AI built into it, so you can ask it questions, smarter questions, CFO questions, and it can give you the data insights from within, which is amazing. It's a mandatory thing in my eyes. Everything happens very seamlessly. Just open the collection hub and you can immediately see our status with every customer, with every invoice very clearly, with pie charts, with graphs. It becomes very clear. Before, when we didn't have full visibility, our unrestricted cash, a low percentage of it was invested in deposit. And with Panax, we managed to reach to 95%, 5.5 million of having our unrestricted cash, invested. So it's a complete ROI. Everything now we are paying to Panax, we're getting back and more. I would definitely recommend Panax. I'm the first one to recommend Panax. I can say with Panax, it's very easy.